Building immense strength isn't just about lifting heavier weights. It's about mastering the movements that push your body to its limits, engage multiple muscle groups, and stimulate significant gains. To get stupid strong, you need a combination of exercises that challenge your muscles, enhance your neural pathways, and create the perfect environment for muscle growth. In this video, we will dive into 6 of the most powerful exercises that will transform your strength and take your performance to the next level. Let's get started. First up, the king of all lifts. Number 1, deadlift. This isn't just an exercise, it's a full-body assault. The deadlift hits your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, your entire posterior chain, while teaching your body to move as one powerful unit. It doesn't just grow muscle, it upgrades your nervous system, improving coordination and total body power. On top of that, it spikes growth hormones and testosterone, helping you recover and grow faster. And let's not forget grip strength and posture both skyrocket with this lift. Set your feet hip-width apart, grip the bar just outside your legs, and drive through your hips and knees to lift. Control it on the way down. No rushing. Next, the ultimate leg builder. Number 2, squat. If you want real lower body strength, squats are non-negotiable. They hammer your quads, glutes, and hamstrings while building serious core stability. But it goes deeper than that. Squats improve balance, mobility, and even bone density thanks to the load on your spine. This is foundational strength. Stand shoulder width, bar on your upper traps, drop down until your thighs are parallel, then explode back up through your heels. Now let's move to upper body power. Number 3, bench press. The bench press is your go-to for building a strong, powerful chest, along with your triceps and shoulders. It creates massive tension in your muscles, which is exactly what drives growth. At the same time, it builds pressing power and shoulder stability, key for both gym performance and real-life strength. Lie back, grip slightly wider than shoulders, lower the bar to your chest, then press it up with control and force. Number 4, overhead press. This is where real shoulder strength is built. The overhead press targets your delts, triceps, and upper chest while forcing your core to stabilize your entire body. It strengthens the smaller stabilizer muscles in your shoulders, reducing injury risk and improving control. Pressing weight overhead isn't easy, and that's exactly why it works. Stand tall, bar at shoulder height, press it straight overhead, then bring it down under control. Next, bodyweight dominance. Number 5, pull-up. Pull-ups are one of the most underrated strength builders. They target your lats, biceps, and upper back while improving grip and control. They also fix a major weakness: most people have an underdeveloped back. This means better posture, stronger shoulders, and a more balanced physique. Grab the bar, hands slightly wider than shoulders. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar, then lower slowly. Number 6, farmer's walk. This one looks simple until you try it heavy. Farmer's walks torch your grip, forearms, core, and even your legs. It builds functional strength that carries over into real life literally. It also improves endurance, posture, and overall stability. Pick up heavy weights, stand tall, and walk in a straight line. Stay controlled. No leaning, no wobbling. So here's the bottom line. If you want serious strength, these 6 exercises are your foundation. They train your entire body, improve coordination, and create the perfect environment for muscle growth. Start with weights you can control. Lock in your form. Then gradually push heavier. Stay consistent, and your strength won't just improve, it'll explode. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective fitness tips and daily workout challenges.